Hello and welcome to this session on practice maintenance of ABS system. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to explain how to handle the regular brake maintenance, describe how to manage ABS maintenance.
Tools and equipments required. Trainees toolkit, steel rule, vehicle, materials required, brake fluid, flexible tube, bunion waste. Let's begin this session by explaining how to handle regular brake maintenance. Begin by inspecting the brake fluid level in both sections of the master cylinder. Adequate brake fluid is crucial for proper brake system function. If the level is low, top it up to the manufacturer specified level. The next step is to examine the brake pedal for proper free play, ensuring it moves smoothly without excessive play. Adjust the brake pedal free play to meet the manufacturer's specified level, optimizing pedal responsiveness. Then thoroughly check all the brake lines and fittings for any signs of leaks. Any leakage could compromise the braking system's efficiency and must be promptly addressed. Now, inspect all the brake tubing for rust, corrosion, leaks, and damage. Corroded or damaged brake tubing can jeopardize the integrity of the braking system, making regular inspections crucial for identifying and rectifying issues. Then you should ensure that each wheel rotates freely. Difficulty in wheel rotation may indicate improper brake release, necessitating attention to prevent uneven brake wear and potential performance issues. Once all the procedures are taken care of, conduct a road test to evaluate the efficiency of the braking system. This provides valuable insight into the brake's functionality under real-world conditions. During the road test, ensure the brake pedal offers proper feeling and responsiveness. Additionally, check the hand lever of the handbrake for proper spring action, confirming its ability to engage and disengage effectively. Let's begin this topic by understanding what is ABS, and we'll also have a look at the maintenance of ABS. ABS, anti-lock braking system. Maintenance is crucial for ensuring the proper functionality of this integral safety feature in vehicles. Begin by checking the ABS wiring harness for any damage or worn insulation. Damaged wiring can compromise the system's electrical connections and communication, potentially affecting the ABS responsiveness during braking. Inspecting all lines and fittings for leaks is essential to prevent hydraulic fluid loss, ensuring the ABS system maintains optimal hydraulic pressure for effective braking. After starting the engine, observe the ABS working light. The light should initially remain illuminated for approximately 5 seconds before turning off, indicating normal ABS system self-check. If the ABS warning light remains continuously lit behind 5 seconds, it indicates a potential problem and requires attention. To identify and rectify faults, a scan tool is employed. This diagnostic tool can pinpoint specific ABS problems, allowing technicians to follow instructions provided in the service manual for effective troubleshooting and resolution. The next step in this topic is to check the tooth rings. Toothed rings are integral components in systems like ABS. Inspect the toothed rings on the wheel for any damage. If damage is identified, promptly replace the affected toothed ring. This proactive approach ensures the proper functioning of critical systems like ABS, preventing potential issues and maintaining the vehicle safety and performance standards. Let's begin this session with ABS bleeding. The process begins by turning the ignition key on and repeatedly pumping the brake pedal until the hydraulic pump motor engages. This step pressurizes the hydraulic system, preparing it for bleeding. Subsequently, one waits for the hydraulic pump motor to shut off, indicating that the system is pressurized and ready for bleeding. With the ignition switched on, an assistant is then instructed to apply the brake pedal. The purpose is to create pressure within the hydraulic system, facilitating the removal of any trapped air. To bleed air from the system, a hose and glass container are used, with the bleeder screw being loosened and tightened as needed. This step expels air from the hydraulic system, ensuring optimal brake performance. Finally, brake fluid is added to the master cylinder reservoir as required. Completing the ABS bleeding process, adequate brake fluid levels are vital for the proper functioning of ABS, maintaining hydraulic pressure within the system.
Let's recap this topic. In this topic, you have learned that after starting the engine, observe the ABS working light. The light should initially remain illuminated for approximately 5 seconds before turning off. Ensure that each wheel rotates freely. Difficulty in wheel rotation may indicate improper brake release. Hope you have clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.